What if you could study in Malaysia with a scholarship that covers almost all of your expenses, all while earning an internationally recognized degree? Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into one of Malaysia's most compelling higher education opportunities, the Albukhary International University, or AIU Scholarship. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what this scholarship offers, the strict rules to qualify, and exactly how to apply.
Seriously, imagine heading off to study abroad without the crushing burden of student debt hanging over you. Today, we're looking at an institution that actually makes this a reality. Now, Malaysia has rapidly become a top destination for international students, and for good reason. It's got affordability, cultural diversity, and high-quality educational standards. But AIU? It isn't just a standard university. It's a private, nonprofit institution with a very specific mission. It's entirely dedicated to providing tertiary education to bright students from underprivileged and disadvantaged backgrounds, both locally in Malaysia and from all around the world.
And let me tell you, you are absolutely not compromising on quality here. Just look at this fully residential campus. It features state-of-the-art facilities with architecture inspired by iconic global landmarks. I mean, the library is literally modeled after the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem. It was built by the Albukhary Foundation, spearheaded by Syed Mokhtar Albukhary. He's a Malaysian philanthropist who has made charity and caring for the less fortunate the absolute cornerstone of his life's work.
The founder's personal philosophy is beautifully captured in his 8-hour rule. He believes the day has 24 hours, 8 for sleep, 8 for your education, and 8 for helping others in need. I just love that. That deep ethos of social business, compassion, and serving humanity isn't just some marketing slogan here, it's the actual heartbeat of the entire institution.
To build that unique character, every single AIU scholar is expected to internalize and live by the 5 A's core values. We're talking Aqidah, which is faith and discipline, Akhlaq, meaning moral virtues and compassion, Adab, representing learning excellence and humility, Amanah, which is absolute integrity and honesty, and Amalan, which means putting your good intentions into tangible action. And the university reinforces these through required volunteerism and civic responsibility projects.
Section 1. The Scholarship Explained. Unlocking the Benefits.
So the core mission here is empowering agents of change. The Albukhary Scholarship Program was developed to be a literal lifeline. It ensures that the most deserving, financially disadvantaged prospective students aren't deprived of an opportunity to pursue higher education just because their families lack the funds. It's specifically built for those who have the academic potential but lack the financial means. The ultimate goal? To transform students into competent, open-minded leaders who will return home, elevate their own communities, and literally break the cycle of poverty.
And this financial lifeline is substantial. AIU offers both full and partial scholarships. If you secure the full scholarship, your tuition fees are completely covered. Boom, gone. Plus, your campus hostel fee of 300 ringgit per month is paid for, and get this, you receive a monthly meal allowance of 450 ringgit transferred directly into your personal bank account. It's a massive level of support that just drastically reduces your financial stress.
Okay, so keeping it real, a crucial part of this is knowing what isn't covered, right? Transparency is key when planning your education. You will need to pay out of pocket for your own flight and travel expenses to Malaysia, your EMGS yearly visa renewal fees, and a one-time ancillary fee of 1,250 ringgit. That covers your registration, orientation, and graduation, and it has to be paid before you can officially enroll.
But man, once those logistics are sorted, the student life is incredibly vibrant. You're placed in a beautifully diverse international environment. In fact, roommates at AIU are intentionally paired from different countries. You'll learn to collaborate, overcome cultural differences, and build a truly global network of friends right from your dorm room. You're participating in everything from intercultural communications to international scouting activities. Plus, you get strong academic support and leadership opportunities, all designed to mold you into a well-rounded global citizen.
Section 2. Eligibility and Application. Do you qualify?
All right, the strictest requirement here is financial. For international applicants, your total household income must be $300 or less per month. Yep, you heard that right. For Malaysian applicants, it varies by region. But for Category 1, like Sabah and Sarawak, the cap is 2,400 ringgit. The university carefully examines your financial background. They require formal income declaration letters just to guarantee this money goes to those who truly need it most.
On top of the financial limits, there are some non-negotiable rules. You must be between 18 and 22 years old during the year of admission. You must have already completed high school and have your official transcripts ready to go. You must be single, and you actually have to remain single throughout your studies.
And this is incredibly important. The scholarship is only offered to one candidate per family. Oh, and you can't receive any other scholarships while sponsored by the foundation.
Now, if you meet all those requirements, the application pipeline is actually pretty straightforward. First, you apply online at apply.aiu.edu.my and upload all your certified documents. A quick tip for you here. To submit a stronger application, make absolutely sure your financial declarations and academic transcripts are perfectly clear and organized. If the Senate accepts you, you'll be called for a Skype or face-to-face interview. If you pass that, you accept the offer, apply for your EMGS student pass, do a post-medical checkup, and finally, register on campus.
You might be wondering, what if English isn't my first language, and I don't currently have an IELTS certificate? Hey, don't let that stop you. AIU offers a conditional offer letter. You can travel to Malaysia and take a 6-month English preparatory class right there at AIU. Once you pass your IELTS according to your program's requirement, you just seamlessly transition into your actual bachelor's degree. Simple as that.
Section 3. Is it worth it? The reality check.
Ultimately, it comes down to a massive trade-off. On the advantages side, you are getting a virtually debt-free education, living in top-tier facilities, and gaining some unbelievable international networking. But, the strict lifestyle rules are very real. You absolutely cannot work while studying, you can't bring a vehicle to campus, and as we mentioned, you must remain single. You are there to focus 100% on your education, your moral development, and community service.
So, knowing all of this, are you ready to be an agent of change? If you naturally align with AIU's powerful mission of serving humanity, and you meet those strict financial criteria, this could quite literally be the opportunity of a lifetime to elevate yourself and your entire community.
If you found this explainer helpful in your search for higher education, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting us know which university or scholarship we should cover next. Keep researching your options, keep striving for your goals, and we will see you next time.